The start is J F C. What is up? It's me, JC, and guys, in today's we're playing Skate 3, and yeah, we just are playing Skate 3, and today's video, I have had a haircut. Don't judge because I've had a haircut, right? It's not the best, I know. It's like one of the. I'm not gonna say it's the worst, but I'm just saying it's not really a good one, is it? Oh, that looked like it hurt. Oh, and he just does the flipping eagle. Oh, I did the flipping eagle. It's Marvin a goal. Alright, I want to show you two tricks that I've learned. One's this. Another one's this. So oh, it's not that. Fit, what are you doing? So guys, as you'll see, they're called cresters. Like, they're doing the proper trick. They're actually called a trick. So if you saw my second trick, it was called a crester. Look, it's actually still called a crester. It just says front flip. It's actually still called no foot air, but it's actually got a front flip. And guys, look at this. Super dude. Oh wow, that's great, isn't it? Super dude. Yeah? No, I'm gonna try to do this properly. I'm gonna do this properly, alright? See, that was good. I'm still gonna do it. See? I've got a super dude, and this is a miracle. Look. Well, if I do it like that, it says if you saw that there, I'll do that again. Hey! If you see that, there, right there. And so, yes. Basically, yes, it is quite a sick move. Well, it's not really sick, is it? It's just basically a move. And I like them. I want to exit this. Well, let's exit it. Let's see back. Oh, why have we got here? We had to, didn't we? They don't like us, do they? They just don't like us. They don't like us. They don't like us. They just don't like us. They don't like us. They don't like us. They don't like us. They don't like us. Oh, I can't do it. Hey, you guys can. Sorry if I've got the manual meter on. It just helps me like bang my trips. So if I go boosh, I've got the manual meter to just help me like bang my manuals. And it sort of does help me. Hey, watch this, guys. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, never mind. I pray. Cause I need more plans. I got like screaming in my head one more time. And I know that I ain't going home, baby. I need a one dance. I don't actually know the words properly. I should see the lyrics to the song. I really should. I think everybody should see the lyrics because, guys, you need to see the lyrics to I Took a Pill in Ibiza. That's my favourite song, and you just need to listen. No, originally, like it says like I took a pill in Ibiza to show a VG I was cool. And when I finally got sober, I felt 10 years older, but F it all something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spent it on Google. And I spent it on Galagool. It's just like Galagool. And I don't like it when people do like songs like that. And then say you don't want to be high like me, never really knowing why like me. You know, step up that roller fish and be alone. You don't want to ride a bus. You don't want to ride a truss like this. Never know you're gonna trust like this. You don't want to be stuck up on. You don't want to be Oh. no. Okay, gone. Get gone. I mean, basically, guys, like, nobody really likes it because nobody likes songs like that. Well, anyway, guys, I think that's all I got to talk to you about in today's video. And so, if you did enjoy this video, just remember to smash 100 likes. Not really. Smash 2 likes, and I'll see you guys later. And subscribe if you're new. Goodbye. This is JFC.